Welcome to Remora. Let's make a rum punch. You're going to need a light and a dark rum, and I'm going to be using Island Slices white rum. And for the dark rum, I'm going to be using Two Shores. So first, top up your glass with ice. Next, we're going to use the white rum of choice. That's going to be 2 ounces. Next, we're going to use the dark rum of choice, which is another 2 ounces. Now add 2 ounces of fresh orange juice. Fresh always tastes better. Another 2 ounces of pineapple juice. 1 ounce of lime juice, fresh if you can, because fresh is always lovely. 0.5 ounces of grenadine. Every rum punch should be finished off with a lovely garnish. I'm using an orange wheel, red cherry and a pineapple leaf. Cheers! Enjoy your rum punch.